Hello everyone and welcome to Digital Villa. My name is Abhishek Pandey, and today we are going to learn how to integrate your website with Google Adsense and add your website to Google Adsense to earn a lot of money. So here I have a website, that's our test website, at hindime.info, where we have some posts available. Make sure before applying for AdSense or to add your website to AdSense, you must have around 5 to 7 posts so that it can review your website and give you the approval. Okay, so here we go. This is our dashboard, and this is our Google AdSense account. I have a Google AdSense account already, so what I can do is I can add another website to this particular Google AdSense account. If you don't have any other Google AdSense account before, what you can do is you can make it from scratch. It's very easy. It's just a sign up from your email and password. Okay, so here we go. This is my website URL. I'm just gonna copy this URL and I'm into my website AdSense dashboard. So this is home, that's my earning that I earn, and this is site. So in site, where you have to go, you have to add your site to Google AdSense. You have to put your URL here and click on save and continue. Now here you are being demonstrated that you'll get a code that you have to paste in heading. So I've got my code. All I have to do is copy, and let's come to my dashboard of hindime.info and click on plugin. In plugin you have to click on add new, and you have to install a plugin name. Insert, let me make it in English. Insert header and footer. Insert header and footer. So you have to install this plugin. In my case, I have already installed this plugin and activated it. I'll go and find setting. From here, hover over to setting and go to insert header and footer. And as in our Google AdSense, it has suggested to put this code in heading. So what we have to do is just click here and just paste the code. Go down and click on save. Now it has saved already. What we have to do is review. We have to click here on review request. Now your website is under review, and within 7 to 8 days, or not 7 to 8 days, maybe max it takes, so within 2 to 3 days you'll get the approval and ads will start showing to your website. So that's it. That's how you can install or integrate your website with Google AdSense. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.